Here I have Crosscall Core M5, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to hold down power key, and when the turn off menu appears, you should hold down your finger on power off. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit it, just hold down power key and then restart your device, and yeah, that's how you can do it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.